If you spend any serious time on the grill or in the smoker, you know the absolute terror of guessing. That moment when you pull a brisket off the heat and you just hope it's done, hoping it hits that sweet spot of tender and juicy, but maybe not overcooked. It's a gamble every single time, and frankly, it shouldn't be. You deserve accuracy, and you deserve to nail that restaurant quality cook every single time without the fuss or the expensive equipment. This little device fundamentally changes the way you approach barbecue and roasting. I've been cooking with various smart thermometers for years, and I want to be clear, I do not get paid by the manufacturer of this MEATER assay. I buy, I test, and I review based purely on whether it works in the real world. The problem with traditional methods is that they are cumbersome. You're wrestling with wires, you're sticking metal probes into messy meat, and you are constantly worried about the temperature reading being inaccurate or getting knocked loose. It creates a whole lot of unnecessary stress right when you should be enjoying the process. What I appreciate about the MEATER SE is the sheer convenience of the wireless setup. You eliminate the wires, which is a huge win when you're dealing with a roaring grill or a busy smoker. The dual sensor probe is key here. It measures both the internal temperature of the food and the ambient temperature around it. This level of detail is crucial for precise cooking guidance, and the MEATER app translates that complex data into simple, actionable alerts. It handles everything from grilling a thick-cut steak to smoking a whole rack of ribs, providing guidance for juicy results. Compared to some high-end, wired probes that cost upwards of $150, this unit is remarkably accessible. It also includes a microfiber towel, which is a small but useful bonus for keeping your prep area clean. If I had to find a minor drawback, I would say the charging port is fairly small, so be mindful when traveling with it. Picture this, it's a Saturday afternoon. The scent of hickory smoke and char-grilled mesquite hangs heavy in the air. You're gathered around the smoker, the fire glowing deep orange, and you glance at your phone. The app shows the brisket is exactly 195 degrees internal, right where it needs to be. You pull out the meat, slice it, and the resulting smoke plume carries the scent of success. It's effortless, and it makes the whole cooking experience feel dialed in. Amazon prices on this model are moving constantly. I have placed the link below so you can check if the current discount is still live.